our YouTube subscribers. My name is Rayshawn, known as Ray Niz on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm just coming on this video to talk about some bad news with my Hampton Bay Landmark ceiling fan. Now, what happened was that we had a leakage in the kitchen due to the fact that the toilet overflowed in the bathroom. So we had a leakage in the kitchen, so the water got into the bearings on the ceiling fan and stuff. So now it messed up the bearings. And I tried putting WD-40 on the bearings and stuff. You're just gonna have to excuse the noise in the background, you guys. That's my autistic sister making that noise, so you just gonna have to excuse that. So without further ado, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna turn the fan on just so you can listen to the bearing noise that the fan makes. So here it is. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. But I'm not sure if my phone camera can pick up the bearing noise or not. So that's the bearing noise that I'm talking about. I might have to put some Zoom spot oil on the bearings and stuff. Because the water and stuff, the water kind of locked the bearings up a little bit, but it didn't lock it up all the way. So I did put some WD-40 on there, but the bearings is not as loud as how it was. But they still loud though. But the bright side is that the fan did not have a shortage, and the fan did not explode, and the house didn't burn down or anything and stuff. So that's the bright side. And other than that, I'm gonna try to put some Zoom spout oil on it, or some whatever oil and spout that I got from the hardware store. I'm gonna try to put it on the bearings and stuff to see if that'll help it a little. So this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this live. Ooh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Let me get this ending together. This is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this video, and I'm out.